So for this one, find dy over dx and simplify whenever possible. So for number 3, y is equals to ln hyperbolic tan 2 of 2x. So we know that before we differentiate, we know that the derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u du over dx, and the derivative of hyperbolic tan u is equals to hyperbolic secant squared u du over dx. So let's get started. So our u here, so for ln u, our u here is hyperbolic tan. So we have y prime is equals to derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u. So u is equals to this one, 1 over. So u is equals to hyperbolic tan 2x. So derivative of hyperbolic tan is just equals to the hyperbolic secant squared u. So we have hyperbolic secant squared u. So derivative, so just copy inside 2x. So our u here is 2x. So we have hyperbolic secant squared 2x. So derivative of 2x d over dx just equals to 2. So we have y prime is equals to 1 over hyperbolic tan 2x times 2 hyperbolic secant squared 2x. So after this one, we know that hyperbolic tan theta is equals to hyperbolic sine theta all over hyperbolic cosine theta. And then we know that hyperbolic secant theta is equals to 1 over hyperbolic cosine theta. So let's take note of that one. So we will now evaluate this one. So y prime is equals to, so 1 over, so hyperbolic tan 2x is equals to, we know that hyperbolic tan theta is equals to hyperbolic sine theta over cosine theta. So we have hyperbolic sine 2x all over hyperbolic cosine 2x times. So we know that hyperbolic secant theta is equals to 1 over hyperbolic cosine theta. So we have 2. So 2, we have 2 times, so 1 over, so hyperbolic cosine squared, so theta is equals to 2x. So I hope you understand this one. So we have further simplification, we have y prime is equals to, so this hyperbolic cosine will be put in the numerator. So hyperbolic cosine 2x all over hyperbolic sine 2x times 2 times 1 over hyperbolic cosine 2x, cosine squared 2x. So this will be cancelled. The remaining will be 1. So we have y prime is equals to 2 all over as hyperbolic. So we have hyperbolic sine 2x cosine hyperbolic cosine 2x. So this one we know that 2 hyperbolic sine theta, so hyperbolic, so it is not the right identity. This is the one. So hyperbolic sine 2 theta is equals to 2 hyperbolic sine theta hyperbolic cosine theta. So we know, so we will substitute this one. So we have y prime is equals to, so we have 2. So we have 2 all over. So sine 2 theta, so hyperbolic sine 2 theta all over 2 is equals to hyperbolic sine theta, hyperbolic cosine theta. So we'll write this one sine, hyperbolic sine. So 2 theta, so 2 times 2x. So we have 4x. So all over 2. Right? So the theta here is corresponds to 2x. So we have simplify. So we have y prime is equals 2. So the 2 will be go to the numerator. So we have 2 times 2 all over. So hyperbolic sine of 4x. So we have y prime is equals to 4. So times 1 over hyperbolic sine of 4x. So we know that 1 over hyperbolic sine theta is equals to hyperbolic cosecant theta. So we will substitute to this one. So we have y prime is equals to 4. So 4 times. So 1 over sine theta is equals to hyperbolic cosecant theta. So 1 over hyperbolic sine theta is equals to hyperbolic cosecant theta. So we have 4 hyperbolic cosecant theta. So 4x theta is equals to 4x. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Y prime is equals to 4 hyperbolic cosecant of 4x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.